Hello, this is a very quick video. I just wanted to tell you about this new website that's been made today called the Cedars Park Tree Map. This is a map of the whole of Cedars Park, and it has information about each tree in the park that we've identified as part of our tree identification project that we're doing. And I'm just going to show you about the new website and what it does and what you can find out through the website. So this is the landing page that it greets you with when you enter the website. So I'm going to click this website, let's go. I'm going to click this button and it opens the map, and this is a sample tree that I made earlier. This is what it looks like, and this is a sample tree that I made earlier for a black poplar. And as you can see, this is the info box that pops up. It's got the name, the scientific name and information, as well as a picture. And all this information has an audio file of it if you would prefer to listen to it rather than read it.
Black poplar, Populus nigra, also known as Lombardy poplars, black poplar.
And obviously when this is finished, there will be lots of these little lime green dots all around the park for each of these trees. This here is for all of this because this is all one species, black poplar. That's a row of 26. And each tree here will have a dot, and when you click on that, it will open one of these boxes. And it's available. It's accessible on mobile phones and tablets as well. So if people are in the park and they want to look at it, they can easily look at the website through their phone, and they can click on this on the dot. They can zoom in if they wish to make it bigger, and they can easily read the things. And there's also the audio file as well.
Black poplar, Populus nigra, also known as Lombardy poplars, black poplar trees.
This is very easy to use. This is one of the things that I thought was thinking of throughout when I was making it. Just I need it to be we need it to be easy to use for everyone, because obviously there's people who might have problems with reading small writing, so that's why the audio file's there. There might be problems with people reading on a light background, so that's why this dark background's here. And this is the whole of the park here, so anywhere, this is Zona here, anywhere where we have identified trees, as we go along I'll add the trees. And I'm just going to show you these two little other pages here. There's one about our project, if people don't know about our tree identification project, which is information about it there. Back button to go back. And there's another one, if people don't know how to use it, the how to use button there. So I hope that you found this video useful, and that you tell people about this website if you know someone that's interested in trees or interested in Cedars Park. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.